The black outline of a mountain ridge lies quiet beneath the twilight. Golden light crests the peaks and spills into the valleys below as the camera moves upward. Silken mist drifts through hidden hollows, aglow with the living light of a new day. Nature's hush is broken only by the gentle sound of wind, cradled in stillness. In one graceful sweep, the shot soars over snow-laced summits. The music softens. Text rises, luminous, as a sunbeam flares over the tallest crown. International Mountain Day 2025. Protect what lifts us all. Mountains rise above us, shaping rivers, guiding seasons, and holding the oldest stories of our planet. Today, we honor these giants of the earth. Their strength is our reminder. Their beauty is our responsibility. International Mountain Day 2025. Protect what lifts us all.